Green Lake's the deepest inland lake in the entire state, mid-September time frame, and the lake trout season ends at the end of September, so we're hitting it near the end of it, and that's a great time to come to Green Lake for the simple sake that all summer long, yes, you can catch them, but for the most part, they're out over the open water, right? They can be anywhere in the basin, they're following Cisco, they're following that bait out there, so it can be tough to target them, and there might not be grouped up hardly at all then too. But as this time period rolls around right before the season closes, they start pushing up on the structure, on the real sharp breaks, on some of these points on Green Lake, and they start to pot up as well too. So they become more accessible, maybe that 50 to 90 foot of water instead of that 150 foot of water out in the abyss, which allows you to throw some of the walleye baits at them because it's a little bit shallower water as well. But definitely a place that if you haven't come fishing, you definitely got to come out here and try these lake trout.